Red Robin Machining is the student-run business for the metal shop in the high school. We do just about everything in the metal shop, from plasma cutting and welding all the way up to machining gears and all the whatnots for industry around the area.
We've partnered with North Central Technical College. We all offer dual credit classes here. So high school students have the opportunity to earn high school credit and college credit at the same time. Those credits go right towards a machine tool degree over at NTC, and then that's what they'll be going into if they pursue machine tool technologies at NTC.
Some of the equipment I've used in the metal shop is including but not limited to, I've used a mill, a lathe, welders, plasma cutters, CNC and handheld plasma cutters, a CNC mill. I've used a vertical bandsaw that we don't even have in the shop anymore. I've used every machine in that shop.
At least 30% of the time we're in the classroom. They have to learn some of the basics, you know, and we have to talk about formulas and we have to do some math and figure out different things. But when we're doing that, I also like to take the students in the shop, and for a lot of students, it's nice to see that aha moment, you know, when you take it from the book and they actually are able to get it when they see it on the machine.
I've just had the greatest time for having fun in there. Every time I get a part done and I see it's done nicely, it's just the best feeling in the world.